Many scientists look at the SETI program and they say, see, we've scanned the heavens and we see no evidence of any intelligent life in outer space. Well, I don't think so.
If there are aliens in outer space, and I think there are, it means that they also have perfected quantum computers, and they've probably had centuries of experience with quantum computers, because that's the ultimate computer. You can't compute on anything smaller than an atom. They can do calculations that are far beyond anything that we can calculate with.
We are living in an infinite cosmos, a universe filled with mysteries and secrets. The unlimited number of stars have a tale to share, and we, as their devoted audience, are always eager for their stories. One of the most intriguing stories revolves around the existence of life beyond our little blue planet. But here's the thing, if the universe is teeming with life, why can't we see them? This question takes us down the road of the thought-provoking Fermi paradox. This question has been causing head-scratching among stargazers since the dawn of contemporary astronomy. It feels much like an unfathomable riddle that we're trying to solve. Here's a possible answer, an idea called the Heart Tipler Conjecture. Imagine if alien life, far more advanced than us, had popped up somewhere in the universe ages ago. If that were the case, wouldn't their high-end tech be visible to our naked eyes? We might see signs such as self-replicating robots, gigantic structures, or other spectacular displays of galactic engineering. But hold on, not everyone agrees with that. Some speculations tend to contradict these big-scale operations. Some cosmological thinkers suggest that these advanced extraterrestrial societies might prefer a more low-profile existence. Maybe they are involved in activities and reside in places where we simply can't see them. Exciting, right? So why not subscribe to the channel and explore how quantum computers and aliens are connected? Once upon a time, the concept of discovering life beyond our blue planet was simply a whisper on the wind, something belonging to the realm of folklore and myths. Modern technology owes a great deal to the digital age, and this proved pivotal in examining the universe. Owing to this harmony of tech and science, we found ourselves entrenched in an expanding understanding of the vast cosmos that shelters us. But wait, the story isn't over yet. Enter the newer generation of quantum technologies which many believe might be the final piece of the puzzle, the key that may unlock the answer to the time-old question we've been yearning to address. Are we truly the only ones here? Imagine for a moment that you're not bound by the laws of this world, but are an alien, not just any alien, but a particularly intelligent one. This is the perspective recommended by a fresh research paper that sheds new light on how we could possibly identify extraterrestrial life. It urges scientists, including those in organizations, to focus their research on the emissions from one very specific space phenomenon: black holes. But why the sudden interest in black holes? Well, the researchers of this study believe that an ultra-sophisticated, advanced alien civilization wouldn't be complete without a black hole serving as a quantum computer. It may sound outrageous, but let's delve deeper. The ever-persistent question of what we should be searching for to validate alien existence has been the center of many debates. Initially, the hunt was focused on identifying signals of electromagnetic radiation, such as gamma rays or radio waves, similar to the renowned WOW signal identified by a radio telescope. However, the scientific community, led by physicists, is now positing that these technologically advanced alien civilizations may harness the power of black holes for their quantum computers. Quantum computers are not your everyday machines. They're like magic boxes that play by the rules of quantum physics to hold on to information and carry out tasks. Here's where it gets really exciting. It's in their ability to create and fiddle with something called quantum bits, or qubits for short. That's right, qubits. Would you believe it if someone told you black holes could double as quantum computers? It may sound like a tale straight out of a sci-fi novel, but interestingly enough, it's within the realm of reality. Nothing comes close to the efficiency of black holes when it comes to holding quantum information. Now, let your imagination take flight. What if there are intelligent beings outside our world making use of these black holes for their information processing needs? Picture these universal quantum computers sending out light particles and neutrinos, signs we might just be capable of picking up here on Earth. No matter where you are in the universe, the rules of physics will always apply. Quantum physics and gravity bind us together, regardless of whether aliens have a different chemical makeup and a different composition of matter than our own. Although black holes can exist in nature, the ones utilized for computing would most likely be man-made and very small. Hawking radiation, a characteristic of black holes, is present in all known particles. Consequently, ETI quantum computers are also required to emit photons and neutrinos. These particles are detectable on Earth. Specifically, neutrinos are all-purpose quantum computer safeguards because of their ability to float through matter, making them ideal communicators. It's been suggested over time that these black holes behave much like the brain of a quantum computer. Quantum computers work in a unique way compared to regular computers. Instead of using binary bits like traditional systems, they use something called qubits. The special power of quantum computers comes from these qubits' ability to be in a state called superposition, giving these machines much larger processing power. Quantum computers use different algorithms to carry out tasks. The user gives the algorithm, after which the computer creates a multi-dimension space where the data is stored. For example, if you want to figure out the lowest energy needed to fold a protein, the quantum computer calculates the different folding possibilities. The most suitable one is your solution. The actual look of a quantum computer can differ. Big companies such as IBM, Microsoft, and Intel have designed quantum simulators and processors that you can buy or access through special memberships. Additionally, you can find many open-source quantum toolkits online, like on GitHub. The actual structure of a real quantum computer mainly has three parts. Firstly, a regular computer infrastructure that sends instructions to the qubits. Secondly, a way to carry the signals from the computer to the qubits. Lastly, a storage unit to keep the qubits stable. This storage needs certain conditions like being near 0 degrees or being inside a vacuum chamber. Keeping qubits stable is a tough job. They can easily lose their quantum state or decohere. Using the computer, even minor vibrations or slight temperature changes can lead to this decoherence. To keep this from happening, quantum computers are usually kept isolated, and those running on superconducting circuits, a popular method used by companies like Google and IBM, are kept at almost absolute zero or 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Quantum computing uses a combination of mirrors, light beam dividers, and prisms to change the state of light particles, turning them into simple zeros and ones. Sounds familiar? The same thing happens when light-encoded quantum information comes close to a spinning black hole. But there's another captivating aspect to this story. The advantage of using this method in our search for extraterrestrial life lies in its base science being genuinely universal, making it a truly unifying pursuit. And let's not forget the role of machine learning in turning the implausible into a reality. A few years ago, we'd never have believed that our cars could start thinking for us. But look at Tesla's Model 3. Its autopilot package, full of lessons from millions of years of driving, enables cars to drive themselves. Although we still have kinks to iron out, The age of autonomous vehicles isn't a distant dream anymore. Researchers are exploring groundbreaking ways to feed this need as our world craves more computational might. Quantum computers, like their contemporaries, use our understanding of science to give us an advantage. They are tapping into the peculiarities of quantum physics to outmaneuver traditional computers. Some quantum algorithms are even shaking up the foundations of our existing security systems, which rely on certain tough computations to protect sensitive information, while quantum computing isn't just about doing calculations more swiftly so far. It boosts only specific types of computations. But hope is in the air as we're confident of unlocking more purposes for quantum computers. Don't get me wrong, quantum computers aren't a pipe dream. Almost half a decade ago, IBM offered the world its cloud-based quantum service. This made it possible for developers across the globe to program a real quantum computer, although with a limited number of qubits. Big names like Google, Honeywell, Intel, and multiple startups are showing interest in this sphere. There's even a new discipline named quantum machine learning, dedicated to leveraging quantum in the booming field of machine learning. Have you ever found yourself glued to your TV, captivated by stories of unidentified aerial phenomena, UAP, or as most of us call them, UFOs? The buzz has grown, with strange sightings rising globally over the past few years. These bizarre objects whizzing around in our sky seem to be using technologies that for us Earth dwellers are beyond comprehension. The powers in the US Navy took note. In 2019, they even introduced a formal procedure for pilots to share their encounters with these mysterious entities. Adding fuel to the speculation, the Pentagon uncovered a trio of videos from the US Navy pilots. Captured in these videos were obscure objects racing through our planet's atmosphere at remarkable speeds. The pilots' real-time reactions, filled with shock and disbelief, were recorded, lending another layer of intrigue to the mystery. It's hard to figure out the mystery behind these unidentified aerial phenomena. We aren't here to guess what's behind it. However, if we consider that a smart entity controls them, then the advanced computational technology that seems to power them is mind-boggling. It's seen from the US Navy's recordings how they defy the known laws of physics. The multiverse concept might seem like a page from a sci-fi novel, but several renowned scientists are strong advocates. The bottom line is that our understanding of our reality is, at best, incomplete. We may feel confident about our grasp on the physical world, but our venture into the quantum realm for the past century has revealed its complex and fascinating character. Governments around the world are battling to develop quantum computers better. The reason is that quantum computing can solve problems that are impossible for classical computers to solve. This means a potential breakthrough in fields like drug discovery, material design, and financial risk analysis. Computing has already demonstrated its prowess by solving complex mathematical equations in minutes rather than days. This speed up could mean significant improvements in drug development, allowing us to find cures faster and more efficiently. But what if aliens have already cracked the code of quantum computing? What if, in their pursuit of advanced technology, they've also surpassed us in this field? This thought only adds to the fascination and mystery surrounding the potential existence of extraterrestrial life. In recent years, there's been an increasing focus on searching for signs of intelligent alien life through the study of exoplanets. But perhaps we should also be looking for signs of their advanced technology, such as intergalactic quantum communication or evidence of black hole manipulation. The possibilities and implications are endless. when it comes to considering the role of quantum computing in understanding and potentially communicating with extraterrestrial civilizations. It's a field that continues pushing the boundaries of what we know and understand, both in our universe and beyond. The search for extraterrestrial life may just lead us to discover a whole new level of technological advancement through quantum computing, and who knows, maybe one day we'll be able to use black holes as more than just gravitational powerhouses, but also as advanced quantum computers capable of connecting us with other intelligent species in the vastness of space. With continued research and advancements in quantum computing, the possibilities are truly limitless. So let's keep exploring and pushing the boundaries of our understanding, both here on Earth and out into the stars. After all, we may never know what wonders await us until we take that first step toward discovery. What do you think will happen when humanity finally unlocks the full potential of quantum computing? Will we be able to connect with other intelligent species in the universe and expand our knowledge beyond our wildest dreams? Or will it open up a new realm of possibilities that we can't even imagine yet? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest videos. Keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next one.